Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to replace the USB cable to a RS232 cable along with the power supply unit for the Datalogic GD4590. The first step is to detach the USB cable from the scanner. You can do this by inserting a paper clip into the cable release hole, and when holding on to it, you can pull the cable out. Just to show you, the RS232 cable will look like this, and take this end of the RS232 cable and connect it to the bottom of the scanner. And this end will usually be connected to the industrial computer. Next is to connect the power adapter to the RS232 cable. Take this part of the power adapter and insert it into the end of the RS232 cable. Connect the other end of the power adapter to a power supply and you should be good to go. For some side note, inside the quick reference guide, there will be a page where you can change the interface type to fit the RS232. Scan the appropriate one and that should be it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share and also subscribe to our channel.